Hi, and welcome to a brief tour of the professional edition of Analytics for WebEx. This tool is designed to help businesses get the most out of their WebEx deployments by providing insights and analysis to understand usage, drive adoption, and optimize costs. The starting page is the dashboard. The goal of the dashboard is to provide a snapshot of important metrics and indicate whether usage is growing or not. First, we will look at the navigation and selection elements that are constant throughout the tool. On the left, you can see the Adoption, Meetings, and Host tabs. The top left part of the page covers some custom reporting options we will talk about later. At the top right is the Date Range selection tool. This defaults to the most recently completed month, but includes several other quick links and the ability to enter a custom date range, since Vyopta retains data usage for up to 8 years. A highlight of the dashboard are the metrics at the top that function as current KPI stats and also include a growth indicator. The panels in Analytics for WebEx are all interactive. For example, host activity and meeting activity can be segmented by several different metrics like number of meetings, participants, or duration. The data elements on these panels are clickable, so you can identify which hosts or meetings fall into the segments you have selected. For example, you can see which users have not hosted a meeting with a few easy clicks. Where the dashboard highlights snapshots of important metrics, the Adoption tab shows trends over time. This is important for tracking progress against usage goals, for new features, or tracking growth for different groups. In Adoption, you can change the chart type by clicking on the top left of the panel, or remove data series by clicking on the legend to better isolate the data you're interested in. You can also select the date granularity from day, week, month, or quarter to help identify both short and long-term trends. For example, I may want to see audio minutes as a stacked bar chart by month, but I want to compare hosts as line graphs by day. You can also zoom in by clicking and dragging. In both Adoption and Dashboard tabs, the panels can be moved, edited, and removed to the user's liking, and these options will be retained by the tool for each individual user. The next tabs are much more focused on really digging into detailed meeting and host data. You can use this information to satisfy compliance reporting needs, uncover best practices, and identify lists of power and inactive users. The Meetings and Host tabs allow users to search, filter, and sort by a variety of fields. The overview metrics look the same as the dashboard, but they function differently. These metrics are actually a dynamic summation of the selections made below. You can also export data from these tabs. Finally, you can click on any meeting to see the list of participants or on a host to see a list of their meetings and the details of audio types and minutes used. Custom organizational reporting is one of the most powerful features of the professional edition of Analytics for WebEx, and it is accessed through the site and category selection tools. The Site tool allows companies with multi-site WebEx deployments to compare one or more sites simultaneously. The Category Selection tool allows companies to track WebEx usage goals at different organizational levels. For example, you could track usage for business units, geographies, or functional groups like customer service or sales. The Professional Edition enables this custom reporting by importing data from your enterprise resource software, including Active Directory, SAP, and Oracle, by using a new feature of Vyopta's data collection engine known as the Enterprise Application Integration Tool. Thanks for taking time to learn more about Analytics for WebEx, a tool that will help improve collaboration and help you get more out of your investment in WebEx. For more information, go to Vyopta.com and contact us today.